Hello friends, welcome to your own channel, Noiseless Investment. Here we try to decode a company based on the fundamentals and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Please note, I am not a SEBI registered advisor and these are my personal views based on the fundamentals of a stock. So please do your due diligence before investing in this stock and kindly consult your financial advisor as well. So if you like my initiative, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. So today we are going to do a fundamental analysis of Reliance Industries and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. So this is the website of Reliance Industry. You can go through this website and get to know more about this company. Let's move on to the fundamentals. If we look into Reliance Industries, the current market price of this stock is 2,634 and it fell by 0.2%. The current market cap of this company is 17,81,790 crores. So the stock PE is 26.7 and the industry PE is 14.8. So obviously the stock is a bit expensive. Now if you look at the ROCE, then the ROCE for this year is 10.1. Average ROCE for 3 years is 9.2. Average ROCE for 5 years is 9.81. And average ROCE for 10 years is 9.91. Average ROE for 10 years is 9.72. Average ROE for 5 years is 8.78. Average ROE for 3 years is 8.02. And ROE for this year is 8.33. The face value is 10 for the stock and the dividend yield is 0.3. So the ROE is not above 20% and the ROC is also not above at least 15%. So both of them are not above 15%. So this makes the stock in terms of ROC, ROE and in the dividend yields not a very lucrative stock. But rather, let's look on to the debt on the company. So if we look into the debt and if we look into the current ratio, it is 1.11, which is good. Now, if we look into the promoters holding, it is 50.4, which is also good. It is above 50%. The FII's holding is 22.25%, which is also good. But the FIIs, they have reduced their holding by 0.99%. The DIIs, they have increased their holding by 0.8%, and the DII's holding as of now is 16.1. So even the promoters, they have reduced their stake by 0.08%. The sales growth CAGR is 25.9% and the profit growth CAGR is 13.5%. So there are no pledged percent, which is a good thing. The sales growth is in positive territory and the profit growth CAGR is in positive territory, which is a good thing about this stock. If we look into the EPS, then the EPS is 98.6. So each stock of this company, of this Reliance, is making 98.6 rupees for you in a year. The operating profit margin is 16.2 and the dividend payout is 0. So this stock is not a very good dividend payer. And if we look into the quick ratio, the PEG ratio, so the PEG ratio is 2.005, which leaves little room for the company to actually expand, but this is a futuristic ratio. Now, if we look into the quick ratio, it is 0.76, which is not good. The return on invested capital is 8.27, which means it is in alignment with what exactly the FDs are giving you. So the Piotrowski score is 6, which specifies average financials. The Altman Z score is 3.2, which is okay. So return over 1 month is 5.36, return over 1 week is 3.27, and return over 1 day is minus 0.20%. Now, let's look into, so the stock is away from the 52 weeks low by 20.8% and the stock is high from down from the 52 weeks high by 4.41%. Now, if into the beta for Reliance Industry, the beta is 1.19, so it moves ahead of the market by 0.19%. Now, if we look into the stock score for Reliance Industries, then the stock scores 8 out of 10. So the earning is 4, fundamentals is 9, relative valuations is 6, risk is 10, and price momentum is 7. Now let's look into the this level, at this level, at this level, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the 9, 10, 11. So this is the 11th time it is trying to cross this level of 2650. So once this will be successful in crossing this level, then probably first level would be 2747, and then thereafter it would be 2850, around 2850 it may cross. And if it will fall, then probably it may fall down to even 2194. Prior to that, it has got a good buying zone at this place, 2448. And if we look into the volume, so even the volume is quite high here. It fell and the volume is high. The RSI line is retracing back. You see it is 66.86 as of now, so it is still bullish. However, it is retracing back. The MACD line is well above the red line, which is a good sign. However, it is retracing towards the 60. The RSI is losing strength. So if it will fall from this level, then the next buying zone would be around 2500 and thereafter 2450. And thereafter, if it will not stop, then probably 21 to 2200 is a great buying level for Reliance. So keep those level at your, keep the stock in your watch list for these levels. Now let's move on to the fair value for Reliance Industry. Now and the fair value for Reliance is coming out to be 2579.19. So there is a potential downside of 2.1%. The spread can be between 1661 and 2858. These are the pros and cons of this company. You can go. Thank you for now.